By any chance, are you struggling to figure out how to get that tension wheel fixed? Is it messed up? I'm gonna show you how to take this apart real quick. You're gonna be taking, oh, let's go that way first. Take that off. All right, you wanna get this off, you have to get that screw. You don't need to undo this all the way, just enough. There you go. And guess what? I got it off. It's literally, most people were probably like taking this whole thing apart. I literally took this almost completely apart. I'm missing a screw because here are your parts. These two plates, they go together, they slide on. It doesn't really matter what order they go in, they're usually identical, who cares? You're gonna put that on, then you're gonna take this, you're gonna take that. You wanna make sure that this, as you see, has a little divot, or whatever it's called. Place that right there. Then you're gonna put, take this, take that. This usually can sit like this. You wanna make sure that that is facing downward. Now we got that, we've got this. Here's a little spring. You're gonna pop that right in there. You're gonna take this and you're going to place it right there. You're gonna hold that in place for just a second, and then you're gonna screw that all into place. All right, that's basically back in place. Usually determine where 9 is, because this thing can go literally all over the place. These numbers don't even matter. At this point, it really doesn't matter. It's an old Brother VX-950. Okay, it's old, who cares? Just always make sure that if you have a Brother VX-950, that right here, this little plate, you want to see how this is sitting in here, and just make sure that sits like that. And then these screws should already still be sitting right there, and thus it was that easy to put back together. Hey, and look, you're basically done. Last part, basically. The power of editing. I don't know. You're gonna thread your stuff, and you know what's funny? It took me so long to figure out how to thread this because Brother likes to make everything so overly complicated to the point they have like way too many damn screws. I'm not kidding. You're gonna go up under. Oh, I just realized you can't see it. Thread it through, thread it here. You're gonna take your thread. You're gonna see your two plates. You're gonna pull it up, go all the way up. Oh, and by the way, it took me way too long to realize you gotta turn this wheel to bring that up because I kept trying to fish it through and I kept using a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna take that down. Now you got your thread. And now you're gonna pull that around. You can also adjust right here, this little guy right here, you can adjust that. There's a little flathead screw. Is it flathead? I think it's on the inside. Yeah, it's on the inside. It's a little flathead screw, and you can adjust these little guys. It's literally 2 pieces. Let me see how that looks. All right, I already gave it a needle. I gave it a high grade needle, but I probably will take that out when I sell it. All right, and guess what? Done. Now, put this on however you like. I don't know. Wherever you think is 9, I would say keep going with the tension until it can't be pulled anymore. It's really what 9 is. It's still being pulled at 9 at the farthest, so it's really just, it's a determine on your own basis situation. There you go! That took no time at all. I hope this video was useful in comparison to all the people that never uploaded a video like this or wanted to make it super duper simple. That's it. All of what I just did took less than 3.5 minutes if you do it right.